Anyhow, this is Cobbs. I'm going to put some more of this Henry stuff on the roof of the little trailer I got going here. We already got some on here. Let me show what we got going on here. Got one coat on here already. The roof's looking really good. I'm going to put on a couple more coats. Anyhow, make it really waterproof and stuff. Well, it's looking pretty good. And we'll be putting some Henry on there. And there's a shot of me. Hi everybody, this is Cobbs. How you guys all doing? Hope everybody's having a great day and everything's working out. Make sure you go outside and have some fun. Okay, so I'll be putting this on here. I'll show you exactly how I've been putting it on, and we'll go from there. I've pretty much put one coat on it so far, and that's what it looks like. It's supposed to be good for 10 years, but I think it'll be longer than that because I'm going to have solar panels. Over the top of this, I'll be putting solar panels, so probably have, I want to see how many panels I can get up here. At least 400 watts, 600 watts. Be nice to get 800 watts, but I don't know if I can squeeze that much on top of here, but we'll find out when I get to that point. And I still gotta put electrical, plumbing, and all that. And I'll film some of that as I put that in, and the insulation and the shower in and all that stuff. We'll film some of that, and then when I put the new axle on, I'll show how I set up the axle and stuff. It should fit perfect, hopefully. So I got the new axle. So axle's gonna be for 2,200 pounds, and springs are for 2,200 pounds too, I think, if I remember right. So it should have plenty of suspension to hold all the weight that we're gonna have in here. I don't even think it's 1,000 pounds yet, because I can still pick the trailer up pretty easy. So if it was 1,000 pounds, I don't think I'll be lifting the trailer up off the ground. I can still lift the trailer up off the ground, so it's not too heavy yet. I'd say it's about close to 500 pounds maybe. That's about it right now. All right, so I'm gonna get at it, bring some of that stuff up here and start putting it on. I'll show you how I apply it. The way I apply it's a little different probably than most guys. I just got a little container, I pour it out, and then I'll roll it. Real simple way of putting it on. It's really good stuff. I had it on a house down in Scottsdale, when I lived in Scottsdale. On the back, I put it down, and it made it a lot cooler underneath the patio. And it's really good stuff. You can see it's really tough. It really puts this stuff together. Okay, let me go get some and start putting it on. Okay, this is what the stuff looks like. It's like, it's sort of like paint, but it's really tough stuff. You can pull on it. It's pretty flexible, and it's tough stuff. But it's really goes on all directions, and it stretches and stuff, so it'll get stretch out when it gets hot and contract when it's cold. It's pretty good stuff. This is just like one layer of it. Anyhow, I'll get putting some on. Be back in a minute. All right, well, all ready to go here. I just take a little thing like this. I put it in here, dip it out of the 5-gallon bucket. It's actually a 4-gallon bucket. I just put it on here like this. Swirled around. Clean brush and just kind of take out the rest of it. Just like that. Of course, the car got to go by. Yeah, swirl around, put it out there. Swirl around, put it out there like this. Take a paintbrush, do this and that, and set this over here for right now. And then just take the roller. Basically, just go like this. Put on nice and thick.
rolling. And we'll do some rolling like that. Really simple to put on. It's not hard to put on. Great stuff. Lasts a long time. It says 10-year warranty, but it lasts a lot longer than 10 years. My house down in the valley, probably had on there 15 years. At least 15 years. They still look just as good when I sold the house. But places where you get more, you know, weather's colder and stuff, it might make it wear out faster. I don't know. But saw it do us really good. Get this trailer all done and stuff. Then we're going to be getting out on the road looking for gold, going places. Hit every place in Arizona I can hit. Check it out and see if these guys are telling the truth about finding gold, which so far I think they're all just a little bit on the schemer side. I don't believe they're really finding gold like they say they are, because move the camera back a little further. I've hit a lot of the places where these guys act like they find big gold. I think what they're doing, you can buy gold. You can buy gold on the internet. Guys that have mined gold like in Alaska and places. And then you can put it in your pan and act like you panned it. I think that's what a lot of them are doing. I don't think they're actually finding gold. I think they're just like a regular TV show. They're trying to make their YouTube stations grow. But anyhow, any gold I find is going to be what I really find. I guess I could do that to make my station grow, but I'm going to try not to do stuff like that. I want to find out if there's really gold out there and people are really finding it. So, that's what this little trailer is going to be for. And I got my home base here, and I'll just travel around and go to different places. And I'll just go all over, wherever I want. Like I said, it's going to have solar panels on it, and it's going to be so like self-contained. Won't have to have any outside nothing. Just have to get water every once in a while. With electric, I'll make all my electric, my heating, my cooling, and all that. I will make all that. And see, when you make it small, you don't need that much electric for the air conditioning. As if you make something big, you need a lot of watts. So you should be able to generate enough watts to run a small air conditioner off of solar and charge batteries at the same time for nighttime. So that's the game plan on that, and that's what I'll be doing very shortly. But a lot of work to do on the trailer. Put the windows in, gotta make the back door, close it back in and make the back door, and plumbing. That's not gonna be too hard. Electrical's not gonna be that hard either. I don't need all the stuff to do for a house, and it'll turn out good, I'm telling you. It'll turn out really good. Like this roof's turning out really good. Okay, I gotta move to the other side. Oh, get down on the ladder and move that around. I gotta get some stuff off the side here. I got paint on the side. All right, there it is. Roof is totally done. All sealed. There it is, the roof is done. All right, moving on to the next step. Looking good.